Hey guys, it's Dadson DIY, and today we're doing
the Room Essentials Raised Garden Planter. So we're gonna set this up and then show you the results at the end. Hope you enjoy. Essentially, setup consisted of getting these legs out of the zip ties and getting the plastic wrap off of the package, and then snapping the legs in place. Once you're done with the super easy setup, the next thing to do is fill it with your favorite potting mix and then add your favorite plants. As you can see, this is a real easy planter to set up and fits right in, produces great results. Hope you enjoyed.
And if you did, please consider liking and subscribing.
Take care.
And have a great day.